What are smart kitchen gadgets and why use them?
Smart kitchen gadgets are high-tech devices designed to simplify and streamline everyday cooking tasks. They can help you save time, reduce guesswork, and even improve the quality of your meals. With features like app controls, voice assistants, and automation, these gadgets make meal prep more convenient, making them a must-have for anyone who wants a smarter, easier kitchen.
How can a smart air fryer transform cooking?
The smart air fryers are game changers for healthy and quick meals. They use rapid air technology to crisp food with little to no oil. Many models connect to your phone, letting you control cook times, adjust temperatures, and access recipes remotely. This means you can conveniently prepare everything from fries to salmon with less effort and more consistent results.
Why should you consider a Wi-Fi-enabled Instant Pot?
Wi-Fi-enabled Instant Pots combine multiple appliances into one: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, and more. With smart connectivity, you can start, stop, and monitor cooking from your smartphone. You'll also find access to guided recipes, making complex meals simpler and helping you cook delicious dishes with only minimal supervision.
What are the benefits of a smart coffee maker?
Smart coffee makers allow you to schedule your morning brew, customize strength and temperature, and control brewing using your phone or voice assistant. Some models offer integration with other smart home devices. This means you start your day with a perfect cup, ready when you want it, while saving valuable time and effort.
How does a smart kitchen scale improve meal prep?
Smart kitchen scales connect to apps for precise measuring and nutritional tracking. They guide you through recipes step by step, adjust ingredient quantities, and even calculate calories. This is perfect for anyone who wants consistent results when cooking or baking and aims for healthier eating habits with accurate ingredient portions.
What makes a smart meat thermometer essential?
The smart meat thermometers monitor temperature wirelessly and send alerts to your phone when your food is ready. No more guesswork or constantly checking the oven. These devices help you avoid overcooked or undercooked meals, ensuring your meats are always perfectly prepared, great for both everyday dinners and special occasions.